Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve exercise 4.1, which is in the context of algebraic expression and algebraic formulas. So let's see how it goes. Exercise 4.1, identify whether the following algebraic expressions are polynomials or not. For an algebraic expression to be a polynomial, it should have a positive or zero power. So let's examine first one. It already has a fraction here which is 1 over x, so it is not a polynomial. Let's see the third one, which is x square minus 3x plus under root 2. It is a polynomial because it has a positive power, which is x square minus 3x. X has power 1 and x has power 2. Question number 2. State whether each of the following expression is a rational expression or not. So an algebraic expression to be a rational, it has to be a negative power or non-zero power. So we will see that here 3 into under root x divided by 3 into under root x plus 5 is not a rational expression because it is written in the form of fractions. So it is a irrational expression. Let's see the second one, which is a rational expression because it has non-zero power, which is x cubed to x square, x and x square. Same is the case with third one, and fourth one is not a rational expression. Question number 3. Reduce the following expressions to the lowest form. The question is 120 into x square y cube z5 divided by 30 into x cube y into z square. Simply solve the like powers with the like ones. For example, x with x means x has power 3, so this 2 power will come as negative. So y has power 3, this y has power 1, so it will become minus 1, and this z has power 5, so this z has power 2, it will become minus 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. And this 30 and this 30 will cancel each other, and 4 will remain with the final answer, and my answer will be 4 into y square z cube divided by x. Same is the case with second part and third part. Let's solve the part 4, which is x cube minus y cube into x square minus 2xy plus y square divided by x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. This is the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I have written it as x minus y whole square. So it is in the terms of various terms where x and y, so I have written it as x minus y whole square. This is written as it is. I will open this formula a cube minus b cube, x cube minus y cube as x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. X minus y whole square is written as it is and divided by x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. This whole term will be cancelled by this term x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square, and my answer will be x minus y whole square. Question number 4 is to evaluate the following. So here is the question: x cube y minus 2z divided by x z. We simply have to put the values of x, which is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1, and z is equal to minus 2. I have substituted the values here, which is 3 cube into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 divided by 3 into minus 2. Simply by solving these numbers, I will get the answer 23 upon 6. Same is the case with the second part. Substitute these three values: x is equal to minus 1, and y is equal to minus 9, and z is equal to 4. I will get the answer 1 over 4. Question 5 is about perform the indicated operations on the algebraic expressions. The question is 15 divided by 2x minus 3y minus 4 into 3y minus 2x. So before taking the LCM, I will change the sign of 3y minus 2x so that I can take the LCM of like terms. For this I will take the minus common here, which I have written here, minus 2x plus 3y. So after taking the minus common here, my next step will be 15 upon 2x minus 3y plus divided by 4 plus 4 divided by 2x minus 3y. This minus and this minus will multiply each other and will become plus. So here I can take the LCM easily, which is 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y. When I will take the LCM 2x minus 3y, my answer will be 15 plus 4. So where comes 15 plus 4? When I will divide 2x minus 3y with this 2x minus 3y, my answer will be 1, and 1 multiplied by 15 is 15. Again this is the same term, so I will divide these two terms and I will get the answer 1, and 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. So 15 plus 4 is 19 divided by 2x minus 3y. Same is the case with the second part, but I have not changed the signs here. I have taken the LCM directly, which is 1 minus 2x into 1 plus 2x. So after dividing 1 minus 2x into 1 plus 2x with 1 minus 2x, this 1 minus 2x and this 1 minus 2x will cancel each other, and my answer will be 1 plus 2x and 1 plus 2x, which will become the square, minus, and when I will divide with this term with whole, this 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2x and 1 plus 2x will cancel each other, and the like terms 1 minus 2x and 1 minus 2x will remain and will become the squares. So solve it by yourself and see what is your answer. Let's solve another question, which is 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 minus 2 into 2 divided by x square plus 1 minus 4 over x4 minus 1. This minus between the terms clearly showing that we have to take the LCM of x square minus x4 minus 1, x square plus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 1. But before I will factorize x4 minus 1. So the factors of x4 minus 1 are x square plus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 1. So these are like terms, all are like terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the LCM will be x square plus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1. And when I will divide this whole term by this x minus 1, I will take the remaining terms, which are x square plus 1 into x plus 1. Same is the case when I will divide this by this x square plus 1 and x plus 1. I will get these answers, x square plus 1 into x minus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 and minus 4. By multiplying these two terms, I will get x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 minus, I will multiply these two terms, I will get x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 and minus 2 into, when I will multiply this is the simple formula, which is x plus 1 into x minus 1, which is x square minus 1 minus 4. After opening the brackets and multiplying with the minus sign, the whole term will cancel, all the terms will cancel each other, and my answer will be 0. See here, x cube and minus x cube will cancel each other, and this plus x square will be 2x square, and this plus 2x square will cancel minus 2x square. So same is the case with all other terms, all the terms will cancel each other and the answer will be 0. Question number 6 is also perform indicated operation and simplify. So see an example, x square minus 49 into, this dot shows the multiplication 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 1. X square minus 49 is a factorization of x plus 7 and x minus 7 into 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 7. This x plus 7 and this x plus 7 will cancel each other, and my answer will be x minus 7 into 5x plus 2. And after multiplying these two, I will get 5x square plus 2x minus 35x minus 14. This plus 2x and minus 35x is minus 33x. So my answer will be 5x square minus 33x minus 14. So let's see another question. 4x minus 12 divided by x square minus 9 divided by 18 minus 2x square divided by x square plus 6x plus 9. First I will change this multiplication sign into this division sign into multiplication, and this order will be changed, and x square plus 6x plus 9 divided by 18 minus 2x square will be my new term. Here I will take 4 common, which is 4 into x minus 3, and this is the formula, which is x plus 3 into x minus 3. This is again the formula, x plus 3 whole square divided by, I will take 2 common from here, which will become 2 into 9 into 9 minus x square. So after multiplying all these terms, I will get the answer x plus 3, because it is a square, I have written it 2 times. This 2 and this 4 will cancel each other and will remain 2. X plus 3, x minus 3 is written as it is here, and this is a formula 3 minus x and 3 plus x. So the next step is to cancel the like terms, and your answer will be minus 2 over x minus 3. Here is the homework for you to be done on neat copies. Question number 3, question number 4, 5 and 6, and from previous lecture revise algebraic formulas, and write in your rough copies. Thank you students, and have a nice day.